So hello everyone, Neeraj here. So today we are going to write a program to generate Fibonacci series. So in order to do that, let us first create a new file and name it fibonacci.py. And once again, as always, first things first, put a doc string and program to generate Fibonacci series. Fine. So our doc string is ready, and now initialize two variables. So call it first num and second num, and initialize it to first number is 0 and second number is 1. So by the way, Fibonacci is we will continue up to the number of terms, and eventually we will try to add the number, the first number and second number, and from second number to the sum of the previous two numbers, and we will keep on doing that up to the n terms. So these our numbers are ready, and before doing that, let us first ask the user to provide the input. So let us call it number of terms, and it's an input. We are asking user to provide the input. So please provide number of terms, and put a /n so that the cursor goes to the next line. And our first and second numbers are ready, so initialized. So now we will be doing this program using while loop, and we have to make a counter. We have to keep track the number of times the loop has been executed. So in order to do that, let us declare a variable and initialize it to 0. And now we will continue the loop. We will be looping we will be starting from 0, and we will be looping until the number of terms. So while I is less than number of terms, and by the way, if we do it that way simply, so it won't work actually, because number of terms, the user input is always be a string only, and here we are incrementing it up to the number of up to the integer value. So we have to convert this string to integer so that our while loop would perform well. So how could we do that? Very simple. We have to cast it to integer. So by the way, this int method accepts a string and it returns a integer. So now we will loop through it, and we will first increment the I plus 1, and here we will print our first number, and we will do a sum of first number and second number. Simple. Now we have completed up to some extent, but still the most important part of this program is right now here. So we have to swap the first num and second num somehow. It's very simple actually. So first num equals second num, and second num, what could be the value of second num? Any guess? Simple, the sum of the previous first num and second num. So its result. Simple. So now save it, and we will try to run the program. So ls, so we will fire the Python 3 interpreter, and so it is asking us to provide the user the number of terms, let's say 5. So it is generating 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 2 2 1 3. By the way, for the sake of clarity, let us put a print statement Fibonacci series, just for the sake of better clarity, nothing else. /n. Now run it again 5. So Fibonacci series of 0 from 0 to up to the 5 terms is 0 1 1 1 1 2 2 1 3. Okay, fine then. So but yes, there are some scope of improvements. So before doing that, so let us first explore what if the user types in some random string that cannot be converted to an integer, like name. Actually our program will crash. How come so? Because the reason being that our while loop is trying to iterate starting from the 0, it is trying to iterate to the number of terms. So in this case, this int operator, int cast method, that actually failed to cast this name string into an integer. So that is why our program failed. So in order to solve this, so it is also very simple. There is nothing much to panic about. So we have to do one another step, and we have to make some use of some inbuilt methods also. So we will initiate again another loop, and we will do it while number of terms, and we will check if the number is a digit or not. So there is already a inbuilt method available in Python, is digit, and it returns whether it returns only a boolean values, whether the string is a digit or not. So we will be using that. And by the way, we have to check a negation, so we will use a not operator here, and we will again ask the user to provide the input. If the condition is not if the string user has provided, the user input is not a digit, so we will again ask the user to provide a valid number. So this time let's say please provide valid number only, /n, and we have to collect this this user input into the same variable, number of terms, initialize it, and now let us try to, our program looks to be okay, so now try to run it. So this time I am providing a random string, so it is asking me to provide a valid number only. Hi. Again it will keep doing that, and when we provide a valid integer, so let's say 7, and it generated the Fibonacci series starting from 0 1 1 1 1 2 2 1 3 3 2 5 5 3 8. Hope that makes sense. So we have covered a few important concepts here, and in the coming days, coming sections, so definitely we will try to explore more and more in much more detail. So till then, keep watching and stay tuned. So thank you, bye bye.